Welcome to the mesmerizing world of rainforest birds, where vibrant colors and enchanting calls await. Get ready to explore the incredible diversity of tropical rainforest birds. From the resplendent quetzal to the iridescent hummingbirds, these avian wonders will leave you in awe. Their vibrant plumage and intricate courtship rituals showcase their beauty and grace. But these birds are not just pretty faces, they also play crucial roles in seed dispersal and pollination. Join us on a journey through the lush canopy and undergrowth to uncover the hidden world of rainforest birds. Discover how these feathered creatures thrive in their natural habitat. Listen to their mesmerizing calls that echo through the dense foliage. Witness their unique behaviors as they navigate the intricate ecosystem of the rainforest. Prepare to be amazed by the kaleidoscope of colors, calls, and behaviors of rainforest birds.